Are you ready to learn everyday English?
Lesson 165. To take off.
Let's go.
을 벗는 것은
To take off. To take off.
내 재킷,
My jacket. My jacket.
내 재킷을 벗는 것은
To take off my jacket. To take off my jacket.
나는 할 거예요.
I'm going to. I'm going to.
나는 내 재킷을 벗을 거예요.
I'm going to take off my jacket. I'm going to take off my jacket.
따뜻한,
Warm. Warm.
따뜻해요.
It is warm. It is warm.
따뜻하기 때문에
Because it is warm. Because it is warm.
따뜻해서 내 재킷을 벗을 거예요.
I'm going to take off my jacket because it is warm. I'm going to take off my jacket because it is warm.
을 벗는 것은
To take off. To take off.
당신의 신발,
Your shoes. Your shoes.
당신의 신발을 벗는 것은
To take off your shoes. To take off your shoes.
을 잊어버리는 것은
To forget. To forget.
잊지 마세요.
Don't forget. Don't forget.
신발 벗는 것을 잊지 마세요.
Don't forget to take off your shoes. Don't forget to take off your shoes.
을 벗는 것은 벗었어요.
To take off. Took off. To take off. Took off.
그녀의 선글라스,
Her sunglasses. Her sunglasses.
그녀의 선글라스를 벗었어요.
Took off her sunglasses. Took off her sunglasses.
그녀는 선글라스를 벗었어요.
She took off her sunglasses. She took off her sunglasses.
읽는 것은
To read. To read.
간판,
The sign. The sign.
간판을 읽는 것은
To read the sign. To read the sign.
그녀는 간판을 읽기 위해 선글라스를 벗었어요.
She took off her sunglasses to read the sign. She took off her sunglasses to read the sign.
오늘은 여기까지. 구독과 좋아요. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 안녕.